Well folks, this is one of my other hobbies. This is the model railway we built. After 50 years, we got dragged back into building this again. This is the gap over the entrance. Round here we have the Jubilee Galatea. She's a noisy old devil. There we have a Ginty with sound, and we've got a Stanier for. Love the technicality of it, building it. Built it with a bus bar round the circuit, so we can tap and drill to get the power onto the tracks. 2 bus bars. That is the circuitry we built for the main on-off switch to the main track and the program track. If ever needed to get it off pretty quickly, then we just throw that switch and it kills the power. That's a short circuit protection board, just wide and simple. So folks, this is the controller, NCE power cap, and this is where I get out the way and play model railway.